Acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine have been a really robust part of my own personal physical and mental health care for many, many years. I've been a patient here at Integrative Acupuncture for at least 10 years. I've used acupuncture for many reasons, but sort of my favorite example of how it works for me and its overall effectiveness is when I've used it to treat a persistent cough. I am prone to a real severe lingering cough after any type of upper respiratory infection like the common cold. Working with my primary care provider, I was using over-the-counter cough drops and cough medicine. She'd prescribed some things for me. I even tried an inhaler, and then I was referred to Carrie. And within 2 or 3 treatments, my cough was gone. And so that really is what opened my eyes to the benefits of this particular modality of treatment. And I've been a patient ever since. And like I said, I come in for lots of different reasons, and I am received so graciously, and I feel like I'm in loving hands. I love that I can get the treatment and have supplements to take home with me. I know it's the right herbs.